Okay, I will try to do a balance test using this setup that I saw someone use similar in Discord. Thank you, Wise. Maybe I say your name wrong, but that is the idea. Okay, so I finally managed to balance a regular paddle on two round wires, and now I'm trying to capture more or less where the middle of the balance falls on. So if we can take a look here, maybe we can measure the distance from the edge of the handle to where the wires are. Let me see if I can get a ruler for that. Okay, I have a ruler right now, and even though this may not be perfect, I'm looking now around 7. I'm just looking at the number where they land and see where they look at the other side. So I got from 6 to about 8.5, or let's call that 9, back down to about 8.5. So if I'm looking at the number closer to the handle by the rubber, I'm looking at a 9. And if I look at the wire that is holding the racket in place on the same line, that reads more or less like around 8, close to 8.25, I would think. Between 8.25 and 7.5. I'm sorry. Let's do it again. Looking at the number by the rubber close to the handle, I got a 9. And if I look up, leaving the ruler right where it is, the wire is possibly showing somewhere in between 7.5 or a little bit above 7.5, almost 7.75. Now I'm gonna try to do the balancing using the adapter with a battery and maybe without a battery. Let's see what that happens. Okay, this is the adapter with a battery ready to be used. Just as you will be using it in a regular game. So we're gonna see if this can balance out. And if it doesn't, or if it does, more or less where is the center of gravity. Okay, just got it balanced. This is the adapter with a battery. Oh, Jesus. Just fell off when I tried to get down, but let me do it again. Okay, there is balance one more time. Let me just get down and see what it looks from the bottom. So if you can see from the bottom, the wire is in the air. The wire here, it's not holding anything in the bottom. and it fell off. But you can see how it was balanced. Maybe any shaking of the house, any movement, but it looks balanced to me. Okay, now I did the balance from the upper side, so you can see the battery is there and everything is in here. We get to the bottom to see what it looks like. So I will say, if I'm measuring distance, should have got a better ruler. Go back to about 9. So if you're looking at this, those balance is perfect because I'm about 9 by the edge of the rover and the handle where they both meet. And if I look where the little metal rod is, if I'm looking straight above, it is measuring right above 7 3/4, more or less, close to 8, which is very similar to the real paddle.